Welcome to Raj Online Trainings, and today we'll be going with the next puzzle and in Java programming. So let us go with this puzzle question. So if you take this main method, in this we have taken the variables like n1 is 10, n2 is 5, and the choice value is 1, and the initial value of result is 0. And here we are going with the switch statement. The main use of going with switch statement is based on the option, it is going to execute the options here. Now in our example the choice is 1. So here the case 1 we are adding the two numbers n1 and n2. Case 2 we are subtracting the two numbers. Default we are going with the modulus, and case 3 we are multiplying the two numbers, and case 4 we are doing the division part, and after that break. And once we come out of switch, we are displaying the value of result. Now let us see what are the options for this puzzle question. So the options are like, the A option is result is 15, then the B option is compile time error, C is result is 0, and D is result is 2. Now, so many of them for this question, they will be going with the answer as compile time error. The reason behind that is, we are writing this default in between the cases, in between the options we are using the default keyword. Many people will think that the default should be only the last option. After all cases, then only finally we have to go with the default. That is not the case. So according to the syntax rule of switch statement, the default can be anywhere in between the cases here. So the result is not here compile time error. Then one more way of choosing the option is like, some people will go with the option as result as 15. Result as what? 15, because the choice is 1, switch of ch, case 1. So case 1 the result value will become 15. So we think that the result is going to display as 15. That is also not the correct option. Then now if it is not cases, some people will think that it will go to default, and the result value it will take the 10 by 10 mod 5, which is divisible by 10 is divisible by 5, so the result will be 0. Or since it's going with the default, or if the cases are not executing, it is going to take the result value as 0. So some people will go with the option as result as 0. That is not also the correct answer. So the correct answer for this Java puzzle is result is 2. Now let me explain why we are going to get this result as 2. Now if we take the two numbers like 10 and 5, and the choice is 1, and the initial value of result is 2, comes to switch statement, switch of ch, case 1. So case 1 result is what now? 10 plus 5 15. 10 plus 5 15. Since there is no break, if there is no break, what is going to happen? It will just execute the statements of other options until it sees break. Since there is no break, it will even come to the statement of case 2. The value of result will become, that is 10 minus 5. The value of result is now 5. Since there is no break, it will come to default. Then the value of result will become here 0. 10 mod 5 0. Since no break, it will even come to case 3 statements. The value of result will become 10 into 5 50. Since no break, it will come to statements of case 4. Result is what? 10 by 5, which is 2. Now it says break. Whenever it says break, it's going to come out of switch statement, and it's going to print the result as what here? 2. So the correct output of this code is result is 2. So the main concept of this program is, if there is no break statement in cases, it is going to execute the statements of other options until it says break. And the main use of break is to come out of switch, and if no break, it will just execute the statements of other options until it is going to say break. So that's about in this puzzle. We'll be adding new videos related to these puzzle questions. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share.